For those clients with a professional services subscription, chart headers are a great way of adding more information to the chart, particularly when producing reports. So to add one to a chart, right click on the background, go to the pencil properties icon, and under chart header, give it a name. So I'm just going to call this test, and by default that information is automatically added. So you've got the name and the ticker symbol along with open, high, low, close, etc. But we can edit that. So as we mouse over the chart header, in the top right corner you see the pencil. If we click that, we're now in edit mode, and you can see the grid lines on the background. So I'm going to just mouse over that line with the open, high, low, close and volume, and click the little cross to delete that, because I don't want that in this particular example. But what I do want to add is one of my scripts. So if I right click, then I can add a field such as the ones that we just deleted. We can add an image, so you can put your company logo. You'll see an example of that in a little bit. You can add straight text, or you can add author, date, etc. But for this purpose, I'm going to add a script, and this is going to bring up the script editor window. So again, like many of the other tools, we can just select from our already scripts that we've saved and created. So I'm going to just go back to this RSI 5 greater than 75 and apply, and that will put that in the chart header. In this case it's not greater than 75, so we've got a false condition there. Right clicking on the label, we can increase the font size, we can change the color, the alignment, we can click and drag and put it wherever we like. So let's do another example. I'm going to add script for moving average is sloping up. So MA for moving average, hit enter, and then click on the text to bring up the properties. I want to do a 13 exponential moving average, and is it sloping up? We use is up, which automatically will look at the previous day's value, and if the current value is higher than the previous, then therefore by definition it's up, so it'll be true or false. And in this particular example, the condition is true, and we can if we'd have saved that, that would have been the name rather than script. But for this example, I'll just remove that, and then when we click the pencil, that's all saved. So you can have any number of chart headers. So that was my test one, but if I click on that, if you have Bloomberg data, then you can get things like the GICS industry sectors, and some fundamental data such as market cap and PE ratios. Or another example here is I've got a performance header. So I've got the company name and the ticker symbol, and then various measurements of price performance over certain periods. And the last one I'll show you has the logo. So you can save your logo, your company logo, as an image and apply that to the chart header as well. So you can see that on the left hand side. I've added the Optuma logo and then a couple of scripts. So the percentage from the 200 moving average. So IBM is currently 8.3% above its 200 moving average. The 50 moving average is sloping up, and the weekly RSI based on 14 weeks is valued at 60.